So we are good.
Okay.
So you can tell us your name and then tell us your experience.
Oh, my name is Dr. Mary Amuyunzu Nyamongo. I am the chair of the National Biosafety Authority. We visited today to just see what KALRO is doing with its partners on the confined field trials. We've had a good presentation. We've seen the cassava crop that is under trials, and I feel personally that the team is adhering to the requirements by the regulator. The team is very committed to the work it's doing. They have a group of scientists who seem to know exactly what they're doing. And with this kind of work, we do hope that we will soon see some progress towards getting solutions towards food safety in this country. One of the key challenges we think is the need to communicate more about the role of cassava in addressing food insecurity issues and the other uses of cassava in this country. We feel there's need to have clear communication between what the researchers are doing and what information needs to go out to people so that Kenyans know what progress we are making as a country in the use of technology to advance and to address some of the key challenges that face farmers as they produce cassava and other crops in this country. I want to commend KALRO for the work they are doing. I want to commend the leadership for providing guidance, and I want to commend the researchers and all the field staff that are involved in this work for the work they are doing. It's been a very insightful visit for me, and being new to NBA, it's been a very good learning opportunity as I take on my responsibility as the chair.
I know you've mentioned data about cassava, but what do you think is the role of biotechnology in issues that affect the country in terms of food security and so on?
Biotechnology is being used to address specific problems. It is being used to address pests. It is also used to address the yields from the different crops. It's also used to, it's not technology for the sake of technology. Every technology that's developed is towards addressing a specific need, and especially for cassava, for maize, for cotton. If we can have yield varieties that can give farmers higher yields, varieties that are protective against pests, varieties that ensure that farmers are protected against drought and other weather vagaries. I think this is where we need to be understanding that biotechnology is not being introduced for the sake of biotechnology, and that every technology that's used, we ensure safety. And as a regulator, as NBA, our role is to ensure that there is a security, safety for both human beings, for animals, and for the environment. And many other assessments are done, including risk assessments. And therefore, as Kenyans begin to contend with the growth and changes in biotechnology, we also need to know that NBA has been put in place to ensure that whatever is produced, the processes assure safety to human beings, to animals, and to the environment. And as NBA, our mandate is to ensure that this is adhered to.
In line with that, just the last one, in line with that, based on what you've seen and the interaction, even with the board members and so on, do you have confidence that NBA has the capacity to actually carry out its mandate?
I have interacted with the board members of NBA and the management of NBA, and what I can say is that the capacity is there. And
okay, to interject, why I was asking that, so that we have that people know NBA has exactly, if it says something, a product